my world history class, I learned that our United States government is different from other governments in that we have separated our religion from our government. And we chose to do that as a whole people because other governments use their religions to control the people, and we did not want to be controlled by our government using our religion against us. And now I'm studying in a teaching class. I'm reading this book called Walking with God in the Classroom. Before now, I had thought that it seemed legitimate that because our schools are government funded, that it was better to let the church teach our children and teach us about God and religion and everything. But as I'm studying in the Dallas Christian College, I'm learning that there is so much more that we are not learning in our schools that other countries are learning. And one of the main points I wanted to point out was that in this book, on page 8, it says, the United States Universal Declaration of Human Rights says, parents have a prior right to choose the kind of education that shall be given to their children. Article 26.3. Some parents argue that this declaration is meaningless unless all schools receive equal funding from the taxes governments collect from their citizens. Do you agree? Why or why not? That statement really changed my mind kind of because they're right. What our government is funded from the people. Our schools are funded from the people, and our taxes are going to public schools that teach us nothing about our history. I don't know how many of you remember much from history class, but it was the most boring end of the day question mark that you could end up with. I always had this feeling like something was missing in class, like I didn't even I couldn't follow along with the teacher. It seemed like there was always questions that weren't answered. Like, yes, there was a war, but why was there a war? What were the motivations? There is so much religion and history that we don't learn in school, and anyways, that was my point. And I wanted to make another statement that I thought it was really interesting that they use the term helping children become kingdom citizens has a number of educational implications. And I thought that was really interesting too. Be blessed.